Hi everyone, in this video, which is part of the Node.js how-to series, we're going to be learning how to perform an HTTP GET request using Node.js. Let's get right into it. So to begin, we create our Node.js file. I'm going to call that get request.js. And once we have that, I'm just going to open up this project inside Visual Studio Code. Now that we have the project open up in Visual Studio Code, let's get to work. So I'm just going to open this file. And we're going to be requiring our HTTP module. That's the HTTP core module inside Node.js. So say HTTP. And this is going to be a very simple and quick tutorial. For a GET request, we call the HTTP module and say .get. So we call the GET method. And for this GET method, we're simply going to pass the URL that we want. So we're going to say google.com. Now do note this can only undo HTTP protocol, not HTTPS, so we're just going to be using Google. And in a callback, you can capture the response, which is a stream. And because this is a stream, I'm just going to simply pipe it. It's a readable stream. I'm going to pipe it to a writable stream, which is the easiest stream I can grab, and that's process standard out. That's just point it to the command line console. Now, if you want to learn more about streams, I have a couple of videos on Node.js streams, so you can check out what this pipe function is all about. So yeah, we have our GET request. We called google.com, captured the response, which, like I said, is a stream, and we are piping this readable response stream into standard out, which is our command line. So let's give that a spin, save the file. Let's go to our console and say node get request. As you can see, we get the HTML response back from Google. It's a 301 response. Google is always 301 when you try to HTTP the root URL. Definitely some proxying stuff is going on, but we have been able to see here how to call a URL with Node.js and get a response back and be able to do something with that response. You can write this to a file. You can search it to pick out some keywords. You can do all sorts of stuff with it. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And for more bite-sized tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.